back in just a little bit. Just about 5:04, state workers now have until Monday the 4th to submit their vaccination status to their employers. This after a backup in paperwork and a lack of response from some on the mandate, which applies to healthcare workers as well. Fox 61's Julia LeBlanc joining us live from Hartford this morning, Hartford Hospital to be specific, with more on all of this. Julia, good morning.
Good morning to you, Keith. Yeah, that vaccine mandate does apply to those who work in the executive branch in the Capitol building, plus those who are healthcare workers in our state. And while the deadline for everybody is the 4th, our hospital systems have their own deadline that they want their employees to get vaccinated and submit that information to them as well. So many are still having trouble right now, either getting their employees vaccinated or just hearing from them at this point. Now, while state employees do have the option to test out of the mandate and get tested for COVID on a weekly basis, our healthcare workers, well, they do not have that option. They just need to get vaccinated. So what does the bigger picture look like for those employees right now? Well, out of the state's 3 largest hospital systems, we're talking about Hartford HealthCare, which is where we are right now, Yale, New Haven Health, and Trinity Health of New England. There's a total of about 1,600 employees, we're told, who are still not in compliance with the mandate. Now, at Yale, New Haven, they're anticipating having to terminate at this point over 100 employees, but that could change if people start to respond or change their minds soon. In the meantime, Governor Ned Lamont is confident that as that deadline approaches, there will be an influx of vaccinations.
You know, pretty optimistic. I see what's happened in New York. I see the surge of people coming in, facing a mandate, and they are getting vaccinated. I think that's a really positive sign. I think we've seen some signs of that here in Connecticut as well. So.
Now, right now, the consequence for state workers not being in compliance with the mandate, they could potentially be put on unpaid leave. As for healthcare workers, they could lose their jobs. We are live at Hartford Hospital. Julia LeBlanc, Fox 61 News.
Hey, Julia, thanks so much. 5:06 now.